The four seasons. What's your favorite time of year? Do you like the flowers that blossom in spring? Are you a fan of the hot summer months? Do you enjoy seeing the colors of autumn leaves? Maybe you prefer the snow falling in winter. Let's take a look at the four seasons and what these times of year are best for. Spring. Spring is a beautiful time of year. The air is clear and the temperature is warm but not too hot. Flowers begin to blossom. Birds that leave every winter return and sing their songs. It rains at times, but that just helps plants to grow. Spring is a wonderful time to enjoy the outdoors. You can go hiking or cycling in the countryside. You can take walks through city parks. What do you like doing in spring? Summer. In summer, the temperature is hot and the sky is blue. Bees are buzzing around the flowers. People are going swimming in the sea. It's a great time to have a picnic too. Families enjoy holidays and everyone spends lots of time outside. What are your favorite summer activities? Autumn. Autumn is a colorful season. The leaves on the trees turn red and brown. They fall on the ground and the wind blows them around. Rain starts falling from the clouds again, and the days are shorter as night comes earlier. Children are back at school and friends are together after their holidays. It's the perfect time to enjoy celebrations like Halloween. Do you like dressing up like these people? Winter. Winter is here and it's cold again. Snow is falling on the ground. Children go outside to play. They wear gloves and woolly hats to keep warm. These children are building a snowman. You can also go sledding down a hill. Winter is a great time of year to play. What do you enjoy doing in winter? Whether it's spring, summer, autumn or winter, there are so many things to enjoy all through the year. Which season do you like the most?